Alright guys, just a quickie video here. I have my 98 Mustang GT. I found a very awesome, beautiful set of seats out of an 04. Everybody said they're the same. They're not. But it's not a huge deal. Everything's pretty darn close. What's different is, let's see if you can see down here. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's see, where's this? Now, on the, at least on the 04s, I don't know when they changed. It could have been 99 or whenever. But these back seats have two very large bolts. And there is absolutely no hole for them. This is the hole for the 98 back seat. It also has one in the middle, right there. And then it has one over here that's also offset, if you can see it over there. So basically, not a huge deal. The top bolt, two bolts work fine. All I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these a bit. I'm going to put a little silicone in it with a little piece of painter's tape over it to seal the old holes. I can use the old bolts. They're self-tapping, so I'm just going to catch them on one side or the other. Drill a hole and just let them re-tap into there. But I thought I'd let you guys know that it's not straightforward as I thought and I was told. So, but hope this is helpful to some of you guys if you're wanting to trade stuff out.